So we deal with a lot of patients of all ages. And one of the things that people keep coming and asking us about, or they come in, they buy calcium, they buy vitamin D, and they take a bunch of it, and they always ask me, what else can I do for my bones? And while we have some of the best vitamin D in the world, and I have some of the best calcium in the world, that's not always going to help your osteoporosis issues. So what we actually have to look at is what makes bones more dense, what makes bones healthier. What we have to activate is the little cell in there called the osteoblast. Now, an osteoblast is actually the cell that makes more bone. So we have to figure out, how do we activate the osteoblast? The only real way to activate an osteoblast is through testosterone. That's why physical exercise makes bones denser, because you activate the body, it creates some testosterone, the testosterone goes in the bones, activates the osteoblast reach out in the blood, grab the calcium, pull it back in, and build bone out of it. So I always recommend that if you have osteopenia, if you have osteoporosis, get your testosterone levels checked and kind of just look into that route. Because that's the big thing, that's the hormone that tells your body, build more bone. Not only does it tell your body to build more bone, but it also tells your ligaments, your tendons, and your muscles to stay healthy, to rebuild them. So if we get the testosterone back where it's supposed to be, and we get the health of the joints and the ligaments and all the tissue back where it's supposed to be, we're gonna have less tearing, less blowing the knees out, all the things that can rebuild the body. Get signals from testosterone to rebuild. It's the healing hormone. So make sure, if you have any of these tissue degeneration issues like osteopenia or osteoporosis, that you have somebody check your testosterone levels to make sure that you don't have any issues. Now, one of the other things I'll tell you is, if you have osteopenia today, just assume that it's 6 months worse than they find out today. And the reason is because if you start treating it today, you're gonna have to slow down the degradation and then start the rebuilding. And so you've got some time, but you got to worry about, okay, I'm really not going to be turning this thing around for a couple months. Once you hit osteoporosis, you really need to worry about that. So I would also recommend that you start getting your bone density checked on a regular basis, especially once you start getting, for women when you get around menopause, and guys, as we get older, we need to start checking on that too. So, because the problem you run into is, if you're mild to severe osteoporosis, you need to make a change immediately. And not having time to research and make good decisions about that might create some other problems. So make your decisions early by getting your information early. So get yourself checked out.